So guys, welcome back to our weekly forex forecast or weekly market outlook. In this video, as usual, I'm going to give you the insight of what will happen in this week in the market and what is the best trade potential, and also what is the macro data that you have to keep an eye for in this week. Guys, welcome back to our weekly market forecast. My name is Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's go straight to the chart. Okay, well, before we go chart, as usual, we are going to have the macro news session. Okay, on the Monday, we are going to skip Monday because on Monday we doesn't have anything big enough to shake up the market, because the PMI is not quite important for us to trade or to see, to wait for the data to be released. So we are going to skip that. We are going to came to the Tuesday. Okay, on Tuesday we will have RBA or RBA interest rate decision. Okay, and the jobs opening. This is very important too. These both data show very promising volatility in the market, which is very great. And on Wednesday we will have the ADP non-farm employment from the US side, and then from the Great Britain or from UK we will have Bank of England interest rate decision. This is for on Thursday. Nothing much change and nothing much going on the macro side, and we are going to straight to chart. Okay, before we get chart, we actually have fantastic deal, which is Halloween promo. If you want to see the details, we have 40% off on all our instant funding plan, and also we will have to get you to straight 70% profit split, which is very great for you if you want to start trading with instant funding plan. And the offer ends on 5th of November in 2025. So catch it or get it while you can. Okay, let's go back to the chart. The first one, as usual, we are going to talk about the DXY or the US dollar index. Right here on the US dollar index on the forward chart, we can see that the plan is very similar that we are forecasted in the last week. Okay, the price right here already came to the resistance zone, which is right there, which is at $99.563. And right now the price seems to make a rejection or a pullback to the demand zone. So the demand zone will came at around $98.895 until $98.565. Going to repeat it again. The demand zone came at $98.895 until $98.565. The support right here, okay, this is the strongest support. The strongest support came at 98.009. If you want to see another support, this is the minor support. The minor support came at 98.565, which is aligned like on the demand zone. Okay, so if you are asking for the profit target, take profit target or the profit target, which is came at around here 100.257. So for DXY, we are going to see that DXY will likely to catch or to move in $100 mark. The target right here, this is also very strong resistance, which is right there. This is very strong resistance if you want to see right here, because after the price make high or swing high or resistance, the price continue to the downward momentum without any retracement to this zone. So this is very strong untested resistance. So what came next after the DXY? We are going to talk about the gold market, because we see crazy movement on the gold market. We want to see what will happen next in this week in gold market. So on the gold market, on the forward chart, as you can see right here on the forward chart, we can see that the boss or break structure already happened. So the bearish momentum or the bearish trend has already taken over the gold market or the gold structure on the forward chart. We can see right here the price already made some sort of retracement or a pullback to the supply zone. First of all, we are going to talk about the resistance zone. Resistance for the gold right now is came at $4,154, and the support came at $3,886. So the best case scenario for the gold right now is to, if you are a trader, if you want to trade on the gold market, the best case scenario is to wait for a value rejection, to wait in the lower time frame if there is a sign of rejection or a sign of trend reversal in that, so you can start enter the short position. And the main plan for gold market right now is to wait for the price to make a value rejection, which is right there. This is already sign of value rejection, and then you want to lower down to your entry time frame as usual to wait for the trend confirmation. Okay, you want to make sure that the trend is same like in the 4-hour chart or in your major chart, and then you can start looking for short entry because the trend right now already moved in the bearish trend. You just want to counter trend. Okay, so the target for the gold, really you want to make sure your target is on the last previous support, which is on 3,886, or if you want to be more as a swing trader, you can set your take profit within this zone here, okay, which is at $3,791 until $3,712. This is the very optimal take profit zone because you can see right here, this is a plenty of demand zone that probably when the market or the price of gold reach this zone, it can create some sort of rejection. Okay, so the next one is, before we end this video, we will have the USD Japanese yen or the dollar yen. Okay, so for the dollar yen, we are going to use for our chart because in the forward chart, the dollar yen moved very clean on the upside momentum, but to be mind that you have to keep an eye on this one. This is the breakaway gap. So oftentimes that on the big breakaway gap, you will happen or you will see that the price will likely to catch this breakaway gap. So the price will close this gap and then it can continue to its bullish momentum. But if you can see right here, there is a strong support right there. So if the price already moved below this strong support, they're highly likely that the price will likely to continue in the bearish momentum, not on the bullish side. But for now, the price will likely to move in the bullish side because we see that the price right here make very bullish structure right here. Then we can see right there, there is a demand zone, which is right there. This is demand. So we are going to see that the price right now is going to make a pullback to the demand zone and then to climb to another all-time high maybe, or to catch the last previous resistance, which is right there. The last previous resistance which came at around 154.447, and the previous support which came at around 151.539, and the demand zone will came at 153.063, and then until 152.505. So the summary is, for the dollar yen, you want to wait for the price to make a correction and the pullback, and then the further rejection on the demand zone right here, and then you want to lower down your time frame to, well, maybe 30-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, then you can start looking for trend alignment or trend change or transition in the time frame. Then you can start looking for a long position. Okay, that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have fantastic trading journey this week, and don't forget to share, like, and comment this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to follow our X, Instagram, and TikTok so you can get notified if I made this kind of video, and of course some interesting promo campaign. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next week. Bye bye.